Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to create a simple HTML web page using CSS. The question is, write an HTML program using CSS to create a yellow background web page and display the college name in blue color, 30 pixel size and Calibri font. Step number 1, create the HTML file. Now type the basic HTML structure with the HTML head and body tag. So first line, doc type HTML, HTML head, title, college web page slash title. Close the slash head also and slash body and slash HTML at the end. So after the style tag, inside the head section, add the style tag. We will first set the background color of the web page to yellow. So here background color is always applied to the body section. So body curly bracket background dash color colon yellow. Then we will style the heading by changing its color to blue. So color colon blue. Heading, for heading h1 tag is used always. So h1 then curly bracket color is blue. Setting the font size 30 pixel and using the Calibri font. So font dash family is used to set the font and font dash size is used to set the size. So 30 px means pixel. Then close the style tag, close the head section and inside the body section add h1 tag and type the name of your college. So h1 ABC College of Engineering and slash h1. Save the file and open it in your web browser. You will see a yellow background. So you can see at the right hand side a yellow background with the college name display in blue color using the Calibri font and font size of 30 pixels. That's it. You have successfully created a web page using HTML and CSS. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more HTML and CSS tutorial. Thank you for watching.